Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now tell us what's your name?
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Vakaras.
Are you working or studying?
I am working as accountant in one company
Okay.
which can produce a product of water, mineral
o-
water.
Okay. Can you tell me about your life in the office?
I am working as an accountant and assistant manager. We produce 1.5 liter PET, which is six packing uh, pieces, and 0.5 liter PET, which consists on 12 bottles, and 19 liter, and one item is produce 6 liter bottle.
6 liter water bottle.
G.
Okay. What is the price? Do you sell in, what is the minimum quantity that you sell out?
Our our product has a selling price of 150 and 170.
Yeah, 150.
1.5
Hmm.
1.5 liter PET, 150, and 0.5 liter PET, 160. Sorry, 170.
170. Why is so expensive? Is this very special water?
Nothing. Water is the same, but expensive due to bottles. Which
You,
quantity is it as compared six?
okay, bottle, you see, we drink water and we throw away the bottle. We don't use keep at home.
Sorry,
And when we drink water, after drinking water, we just throw away the bottles.
सर इसकी समझ नहीं आई.
We throw away the bottles after drinking water, isn't that? पानी पी के बोतल
जी
फेंक ही
जी
देते हैं.
जी जी.
So why so expensive? Why not you see? Is the bottle very special?
No, bottle is not special, just quantity based.
Quantity.
क्योंकि we,
You,
1.5 liter PET consist on 6 bottles, whereas 0.5 liter 12 bottle.
okay. So 6 bottles, 1.5 liter is 150. Is that?
जी.
Yeah, you are telling me the price of 6 bottles. Is that?
Sorry,
You are telling me the price of 6 bottle pack.
what bottle?
No, I mean saying 150 rupees. How many bottles?
6 bottles.
6 bottles. Okay, 1.5 liter.
जी जी.
Then that's good. So then it is not very expensive. I was thinking that one bottle, one 1.5 liter one bottle. I was thinking that it is 150 rupees. So that seemed to be expensive. Okay, so that's normal.
जी.
Okay, so the minimum, how many packets that you sell? Minimum.
Um, we sold minimum quantity, 500 PET per day.
Uh, no, but that is these many 500 juicy packets you sell. Is that? 500,
जी.
500 packets you sell. So do you have transport to sell the water bottles to shops and markets?
Local markets and big orders like marriages hall,
Hmm.
functions,
Okay.
so etc.
A company is, what is company doing to make the brand popular? What is the name of the, what is the brand name?
Sizzle pure water.
Sizzle.
Sizzle,
Sizzle.
SEASL.
Sizzle. So what is the company doing to make the Sizzle name popular?
Sorry.
Is company making advertisements to make the Sizzle popular? कंपनी अपने ब्रांड को पॉपुलर करने के लिए कुछ कर रही है? Is
Yes, sir.
is company doing anything to make the brand popular? How? What is the company doing to make the brand popular?
We create new steps for advertisement and sale boosting. We develop three three teams. Every team consists of 7 members for sale.
Okay. Now you tell me about your office. Is your office very big?
My office have area 10 by 10,
Hmm.
which are very luxury and table and cabinets.
Okay. You told me about ready-made furniture as well. Hello?
Gigi,
You told me about the furniture, furnishing of the different places. You also sell furniture.
we create on order.
We create on
We
order.
G.
Do
We
you
not
have?
sell on local market.
Okay. Do you have workshop?
Yes,
Okay. Is it a big workshop or small?
medium.
Medium. Do you have large machines or small machines?
Gigi.
In workshop, you have big machines or small machines?
Um, big or small,
Both.
both.
Machines are automatic.
Some automatic or some manual.
Okay. How many people working there?
Uh, in two carpenter are main carpenter. 4 person are as helper.
4%. So six, up to 10% are working.
G.
Do you do polishing, finishing?
Yes.
Okay. Is it spray painting or you do with brushes or some others?
Spray and big tanky,
Okay. Is there
which is used.
okay? You use are you see your what you say the orders? Is it for woodwork or plastic? Also, plastic and steel is also included.
Just woodwork.
Woodwork. So what paint you use for, you see, the kind of lacquer, I think they use white paint and lacquer, or sometimes brown, green, yellow. Do you use this
Uh,
color? What are popular
so
colors that we use in these days?
black color is so beautiful and polished color is so beautiful, which is and like so called lah, dana lah.
Dhanala. Okay, tell me about your friend. Do you have friends?
We have many. I have many friends, but most important is one friend which we belong to our village, and we relation from we relation established from pre-1 class.
Oh, so in the age long, you see, fellowship. Okay. So
Yes.
is your friend married?
No, single.
How old is he?
Sorry.
How old is your friend?
Uh, 26 years old.
So why is he not married yet? He's afraid of marrying?
He's he's busy in study and some business.
Mhm. What are the reasons that people are they make late marriages? What are the possible reasons? Why?
And some people may most of the peoples belong to poor family which contains and main ideas consist on own faith and create some employment, so that is so running or marriages is so happy.
Do you think that poor people should not? It will be very good that poor people should not marry. Is it a good idea?
G.
Is it good idea that poor people should not marry?
No, like but basic but basic consist on this point.
Hmm. Okay. So because late marriage, this fashion is growing. You see, uh, getting very popular. I think in the country. I don't know why. So, do you think married life is a mixed problem for working people or some the people who are studying?
Married
Yes. Yeah, for husband and
marriage and
wife,
problems.
married life is not suitable if a person is studying or you see he is on mission, so he should not marry.
Yes, marriage can create problems and divert attention from our main ideas and main focus point and our will power.
Okay. So those who have some aim or mission, they should not pay much attention to for married life. Okay, they should focus on their work. They should go on doing PhD or whatever studies they are doing. Okay. What do you think that should must be the minimum salary for a person?
15,000.
15,000 is good enough.
Ji.
Do you think?
And one time lunch.
Okay, okay. Lunch, see, what I should say, one meal, okay? Lunch, that's, yes, in some country. Is your office giving you lunch?
Yes,
Okay, is it a good one or just no one?
good one.
Where do you get your lunch? See, do you have a cook to come to the factory and make lunch for everybody?
We have cook.
We have your cook, okay? What did you eat today?
I eat today. Uh, I go for Juma namaz. And
You
sorry, I come back I come back to home for Juma namaz so that I eat lunch do in my home.
today lunch was at home. Are you working on Saturday?
Yes,
Okay, what time do you go to work?
9 to 5 o'clock.
9 in the morning and 5 in the afternoon.
G.
So 8 hours. Okay. It was nice talking to you, and I hope I will talk on some other topic as well. Okay. Keep thinking about telling me something about
Excuse me.
some interesting stories. Okay. Or some event of your
Insha,
life. I shall be very much interested in that. Okay. Take care.
insha. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Um, जी बेटा.
Sir, I will deposit to fee in next month's salary. Can
When
you manage?
when is that?
थैंक यू सर सो मच।
कब आ रही है? नेक्स्ट मंथ कब आ रही है?
ये बस 2-3 दिन रह गए हैं।
हाँ, ऑलराइट, 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 ओके, ठीक है, ऑलराइट, आई कैन डू दैट। योर नेक्स्ट क्लास इज गोइंग टू बी ऑन मंडे।
यस सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
ओके, टेक केयर।
सर इसका मुझे टिप्स जरा बता दें कि मैं अब किस तरह इसको मतलब कि लर्निंग करूं आपके साथ। सर कैसा लग रहा था जो मैं
देखिए,
आपके साथ बोल रहा था।
लिसन टू मी। आपने वीडियोस आपके पास हैं, आप उनको डे बाय डे आप जज कर सकते हैं कि आपकी प्रोग्रेस हो रही है नहीं हो रही। तो कुछ चीजें जो हैं दे वर मिसिंग। अभी मैंने आपको बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, डू यू, आर यू, हैव यू, तो इनके आंसर जो है बहुत जल्द जल्द आने चाहिए, या इसको सोचना नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? आर यू? यस
जी
आई एम। हैव यू? यस आई हैव। आंसर भी आपने यस ही देने हैं, कोई नो नहीं है, कोई नॉट नहीं है। मैं अभी वाई वेयर मैन वो यूज ही नहीं कर रहा। तो जब तक इनके आंसर आप मुझे जल्दी नहीं देंगे, ये 29 क्वेश्चन है, वो दूसरे दो तीन और मिला के ये 31 बन जाएंगे, 35 कैच मुझे हो जाएंगे। तो आपने इनके आंसर जो है मुझे जल्दी जल्दी देने हैं, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे
यस सर।
आपकी ज़ुबान जो है ये रुकती है अभी, और ज़हन भी जो है वो इतना फ़ास्ट नहीं है। तो जब इनमें कुछ
जी
बचेगा तो फिर आप आहिस्ता-आहिस्ता आप ये देखेंगे कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल होता है। मतलब डू यू का क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा।
जी
तो इसका जो है अभी इसीलिए मैं साथ में ट्रांसलेशन भी करवा देता हूँ ताकि आपको आइडिया हो कि किस तरह से बात, क्योंकि ज़रूरी नहीं कि इन्हीं के अंदर रह के भी बात हो जाती है, इनको छोड़ के भी बात होती है, थोड़े से और क्वेश्चन भी आए। लेकिन दीज़ आर द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट, जहाँ पे हम रुकते हैं वो यही है, ठीक है? अब मैं
यस सर।
बहुत सिंपल भी जो है मैं आपसे पूछ सकता हूँ, वांट वाटर? तो ये बहुत सिंपल इंग्लिश है, बहुत ये यहाँ पे तो आप मुझे आंसर दे देंगे, लेकिन एवरीबॉडी विल नॉट स्पीक लाइक दिस। हर कोई ऐसे बात नहीं करेगा। जैसे गोइंग टू ऑफिस, तो आप कहें यस,
यस
आप मुझे आंसर दे सकते हैं। स्लीपिंग एट द मोमेंट, तो आप कह सकते हैं यस स्लीपिंग, नॉट स्लीपिंग, ठीक है? टायर्ड, एक हर की बात हो सकती है, और बजाय इसके मैं कहूँ आर यू टायर्ड, मैं ऐसे ही लबो लहजे से कह देता हूँ टायर्ड, तो आप मुझे यस टायर्ड, नो टायर्ड, तो दिस इज द इजी वे टू टॉक टू समवन। बट
यस
कोई इस तरह से बात नहीं करेगा इन हेल्पफुल वे। तो हमें इतनी वो भी क्यों, क्योंकि जो बेसिक क्वेश्चन हैं जो मुश्किल हैं हमें उनकी प्रैक्टिस कर लेनी चाहिए। तो आफ्टर दैट वी विल नॉट फील वेरी मच इन ट्रबल। ओके,
यस सर थैंक।
मुझे एक और स्टूडेंट को भी अटेंड करना है, एंड ही मस्ट बी वेटिंग फॉर मी। So see you
चलिए
on Monday. Okay,
ओके
take care. Have a nice
ओके
time.
ओके
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
ओके
और बात सुनो, वो दूसरा तुम्हारा जो क्या नाम है, शफकत है, क्या नाम था उसका?
पक्का
शफाकत।
पक्का।
उसने अगर कोई ट्रायल क्लास लेनी है ना, वो सैटरडे संडे को मेरे से रब्ता कर ले, ठीक है?
चलिए ठीक है सर।
हाँ, उसके है ना कि सैटरडे संडे सेपरेट क्लास ले लें, बिकॉज उसकी नए क्लासेस जो हैं पहले से मिसिंग है। तो तुम दोनों का साथ चलना मुश्किल होगा, वो जब तक वो उसके पीछे जो है वो रिकवरी नहीं कर लेता। इफ ही इज इंटरेस्टेड
चलिए
तो उसने कंटिन्यू करना है, तो मुझे ना टाइम फोन कर ले, तो मैं फिर उसको टाइम बता दूंगा, उस
चलिए
टाइम वो क्लास ले ले, क्योंकि बेसिक जो क्लास
चलिए
रात का वर्क रहा है उसका उसका मिसिंग है। अभी आज की क्लास भी मिस हो गई, वो नहीं है, शामिल नहीं है।
हाँ
तो उसका जो प्रीवियस जो पहले जो बेसिक है वो पहले मैं उसको करवा दूँ, उसके बाद फिर मैं उसको क्लास में ज्वाइन करवा दूँ, ठीक है? अगर उसने कंटिन्यू
ठीक
करना। और
ठीक है सर।
मेरे और भी किसी ने अगर कोई ट्रायल क्लास लेनी हो तो मेरी है, मैंने सैटरडे संडे ये फिक्स रखे हुए हैं, इन दिनों में वो मेरे से
ठीक है
ट्रायल क्लास ले सकते हैं, ठीक है बेटा?
ओके सर ये वीडियो सेंड कीजिए।
आई विल, ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।
अल्लाह हाफिज।
ये तो मैंने रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं की, मैं हाँ हो रही है अभी।